Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a bit of 80s RC, and I'll probably get the same reaction as a kid would have done back then. I was a kid back then, but unfortunately I never had any RCs, but I surely do make up for it now. So let's get it out of the box. I'm quite excited about this. This is has been a dream, really. I always wanted one of these when I was a kid, but I never had it, so here we go. Now is the time for it. And obviously it is used, but they did say it was in working order, so let's hope it is. I mean, just look at the deco on the art box. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's literally 80s right there. Can't beat that. Anyway, enough of the box, let's get it out. Oh, just noticed it's got a price there from back then, and that was £34.95p, which is probably around $40 US, I guess. I did pay a bit more than that today, but hey ho, that's the way it goes. Looks like we're missing a couple of screws on, yeah we are missing screws on the headache bar. Anyway, we'll leave that out for now. We got a fast and a slow. So yeah, this is it guys, and I should get myself some batteries and hopefully get it running. Right now is the next day, so I got myself some batteries for this. The whole £15 worth of batteries. Let's hope it works. So you need a 9-volt battery for the remote, and on the car itself we need 1 9-volt and 4 C-size batteries. So we have the batteries in place, and let's give it a try. We've got power on. We've got power on the car. Yes, it works.